Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, July 25th, 2025. Today we'll recap market moves across technology, communications, and healthcare sectors, covering key indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes hit new record highs today. The Nasdaq 100, Nasdaq Composite, and technology sector all closed at all-time highs for multiple consecutive days. The communication services drifted sideways while healthcare advanced modestly. Market breadth remains strongly positive. The Nasdaq 100 showed 72 advancers versus 27 decliners today. The broader Nasdaq Composite reflected similar strength, with over 2,000 advancing stocks against 934 declining. The technology sector maintained a 2-1 advance decline ratio. Weekly returns show solid performance across tech indexes. The communication services leads with a 2.2% gain, while the healthcare follows at 3.4%. Year to date, the technology sector tops the group with a 12.5% return. Among top tech performers, VeriSign surged 6.6% to a new record high, breaking out from recent consolidation. Micro Computer and advanced micro devices both extended their winning streaks, rising 3.7% and 2.6% respectively. Looking at returns, Micro Computer leads year-to-date with a remarkable 79% gain. VeriSign shows strong momentum, up 7.9% this week, while advanced micro devices has gained 17% month-to-date. Among declining tech stocks, Intel dropped sharply, falling 8.5% with increased volatility. ServiceNow retreated 2.7%, while Jack Henry and Associates declined 2.5% amid strong downward pressure. On a weekly basis, Intel shows the steepest decline at 10.4%. Teradyne continues its downward trend, now off 28% year-to-date. Despite recent weakness, Synopsys maintains a solid 24% gain for the year. Tech-focused ETFs showed continued strength today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both reached new all-time highs for a second consecutive day. VanEck Semiconductor has moved sideways for 4 days while maintaining its strong upward trend. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ showed some upward volatility. Looking at returns, QQQ leads the week with a 0.9% gain. Vanguard Information Technology shows the strongest month-to-date performance at 3.8%. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ has amplified returns with a 7.2% gain this month, while its inverse counterpart 3x bearish QQQ has declined accordingly.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft leads with a new all-time high at 513.71, up 3 days consecutively. Alphabet gained 0.88, while Apple and Meta Platforms traded sideways. Amazon showed upward volatility despite closing slightly lower. Weekly returns show Alphabet leading with a 4.4% gain, while Meta Platforms and Amazon each added about 2.3%. Year-to-date, Meta and Microsoft both show impressive returns exceeding 21%. In semiconductor stocks, Blaze surged 8.2% to 4.33, while InTest jumped 6.2%. IPG Photonics and Lattice Semiconductor both broke out from sideways patterns, gaining over 2.8% each. Month-to-date performance shows Blaze up an impressive 45%, though it remains down 71% for the year. Allegro Microsystems has gained 54% year-to-date despite recent volatility. IPG Photonics shows consistent gains across all time frames. In cloud computing, Cloudflare and Cadence Design Systems both reached new all-time highs. Okta showed strong upward volatility, gaining 3.2%. Dell Technologies and Snowflake broke out from consolidation patterns. Year-to-date returns spotlight Cloudflare, with an impressive 84% gain. Snowflake has advanced 42%, while Okta is up 28%. Dell and Cadence show more modest gains, around 10–14%. In AI and robotics, Trimble hit its fourth consecutive all-time high. RTX also reached a new peak at 156.88. Boeing broke out from consolidation, while Intuitive Surgical gained despite showing negative trend signals. Year-to-date, RTX leads with a 35.6% gain, followed by Boeing at 31.7%. Trimble shows strong momentum with a 12% monthly gain. Intuitive Surgical has declined 8.8% this month. Thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strength today. Pacer US, Cash Cows, Growth ETF, and AI and Innovation Fund hit new all-time highs. Both display very strong positive trends with some upward volatility. Spear Alpha ETF also reached a new peak. Returns across these AI and robotics ETFs have been impressive. NIO leads month-to-date with a 43% return. Spear Alpha follows with an 18% year-to-date gain. AI and Innovation Fund shows consistent weekly gains near 1.8%. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance today. Tesla jumped 3.5% while maintaining a mixed positive trend. NIO gained 1.8% with a very strong positive trend. Polestar remains flat for 6 consecutive days. Looking at returns, NIO leads month-to-date with a 43% gain and strong daily momentum. Li Auto shows a robust 23% year-to-date return, despite recent daily declines. Tesla lags with a minus 21% year-to-date performance. In quantum computing, TE Connectivity stands out with 8 consecutive up days and new all-time highs. Archer Materials rose 5.3% with a strong positive trend. Honeywell shows downward volatility after 2 declining days. TE Connectivity leads returns with a 45% year-to-date gain and strong weekly momentum of 16%. Archer Materials shows volatile monthly gains of 31% despite year-to-date losses. Honeywell remains slightly negative for the year. Solar stocks showed broad strength today. Shoals Technologies led with a 3.9% gain. FTC Solar rose 2.6%, marking 4 straight positive days. First Solar added 2.5% while maintaining a very strong positive trend. Monthly returns in solar stocks impress with Shoals Technologies up 37% and Sunrun gaining 32%. FTC Solar shows strong momentum with a 26% monthly return and consistent daily gains. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed strength today, with ARK Innovation ETF leading the group, up 1.2% to 76.77. Both First Trust Cloud Computing ETF and Wisdom Tree Cloud Computing Fund broke upward from 3 days of consolidation, displaying strong positive trends. Looking at year-to-date performance, ARK FinTech Innovation ETF stands out with a remarkable 46% return, while ARK Innovation ETF has gained 35.2%. iShares US Medical Devices ETF shows modest gains of 5.3% for the year.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.